Sorry.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, then let's get some copy and paste the dependencies. So the user should be logged into the application. Then the transactions should be entered in the enter to the portal, right? Because if
Yeah.
you don't have any transaction, how it will not able to calculate, right?
Yes, we
Then
have to
it
first
says
upload
right
the
here.
record of the transaction.
Yep. And I click on the profit and loss tab. Then it should appear the it should show the all the expenses, and then it should show all the expenses, income, expenses and the income, expenses, income, loan, right?
Yes.
In expenses, income. Okay, actually it will show the expenses and the income, and under the expenses you may have multiple type of expenses, and in under the income you may have multiple type of income, right?
So,
And based
Mr.
on this,
Panto, I was wondering if you like keep some of these user stories for me to do, and I'll just follow
yeah,
your that way. That could be my action items.
yep.
If you finish all of them, then uh, you are learning everything, and unfortunately, uh, that way you can also test me whether I followed your instruction properly or not. So you please
Yep,
keep
yeah, you will
2, 3
get that.
user stories
You
for me to do
hmm
under this
Yeah,
feature.
you will get that, and mostly the thing you will do that the enhancement. Okay, that
Yeah.
one actually because you guys have already the idea how to write the user stories of the existing functionalities, right?
Yes.
But the mainly well, the major of the user stories you have to write of the enhancement, because most of the project when you will work on it, you will see that already the user story have been written, the functionality is already developed, but for the new release, for the new version, they are adding some more user stories, and the which functionalities are not available on that application. So what you will have to do, you will have to actually bring those user stories so that team can actually build those functionalities, right?
Yes, since the enhancement is like a functionality that is not there, we
Yep.
can compare with other application with the similar
Yes, yep.
enhancement and
You
copy
can
that.
go to the other applications, you can just like explore that application, then you can get some idea, then you
Yes.
can also think that okay, these are the information we can bring. Yep.
So if you kindly give me some specific assignment, I'll try
Mhm.
to write it down, and I'm going to, instead of waiting, I'll just start doing it tonight. And so that next time when we have the workshop, you are not like wasting your time, or you didn't understand anything, or you didn't do anything. I want to do everything you give me following your examples so that we both can use our time productively.
Yep. Okay.
It's my mistake because I I took too much time uh, doing the assignment. It should be done after your workshop so that our mind is fresh. We
Yep.
do not forget what you told us to do.
Yeah, that's the thing actually, because otherwise if you take too much time to start, at least every day you should actually spend the time at least 2 hours or 3 hours. Okay. Just whatever the time you give, at least put every day, because if you miss a single day, then you will see that you will far behind from
Yes,
like
that is happening
actual
to
contents.
me. I'm
Yeah.
sorry that not managing my time that the way I
Yep.
should do, especially spending more time on these assignments and on these apps.
Okay, so just let me do this one, then I'll keep rest of the user stories for you. Okay.
Yes, and
And
I'll just
do
follow
all that.
your example, and I'll definitely let you know if I can do it with by tonight or tomorrow.
Yep. Show all the expenses and income transaction information to, and also it should show the um, uh, amount of the profit or loss of the company. Okay.
Yes,
Okay. So yeah, and this one actually can put the high, because this is very important to add the profit and
yes.
loss.
What should be the business
In
value for this? Is it like business and
the business value we can put here that it is actually this functionality will add the value in the business, like what you can say, that
is it
the
like
like
finance and accounts?
yeah, finance and accounts. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, so see, so so this is how we can actually add so many
The
user
user
stories.
stories under feature.
Yep, this is how we can actually under the feature we can actually add multiple user stories, and we can actually also like enhance and explore the user stories. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so I am sending the link to the Joseph so that he can join, and let me actually collaborate with you.
Okay.
Okay, so let me stop the, okay, before I stop the recording, so you have already the action items, right? So what you will have to do, you will have to actually write the user stories for the balance sheet. You will have to write down the user stories for the ledger management. In the ledger management, you will have to actually also write the user story for the export ledgers, export as the JSON, export as the CSV, export as the XLSX. So there is multiple user stories. Then also you can write the user stories for the print all the ledgers. Okay,
Yes.
from here, and then there will be another what it calls, another feature, that one is the laser. So you have already that features under the laser feature. You will have that, you will be able to edit the laser, you will able to delete the laser, you will able to add the laser. We didn't create the add the laser, right? I mean add the primary laser, add the secondary laser, right?
Yes.
So we didn't do that also. We didn't create any user history for the laser. Then also we can select the account type, liability, income, expense for the primary, and for the secondary we can actually select the primary ledger account, and then enter the account name. So this is also we can do like this. We can create multiple types of ledger. So all these things, this ledger part will go under the ledger feature. Okay.
Okay.
And then in the like, this is the things we can also add, and then this part is actually good here. Then under the settings you can actually put settings is not showing, so accounts or dashboard. In the dashboard you can actually put the upload the photo or update the photo, and also you can actually give the access permission of the specific user or specific account. Okay,
Yes.
that one is another different types of the user stories. And after that, yeah, you can actually bring some the user stories for the enhancement to explore the other applications and then just add those. Okay,
Okay.
so yeah, these are the action items. So okay, so let me stop the recording here.